And we're back. So we're now in what's called the bulk fermentation phase. So in total, we're doing 2.5 hours of letting the dough rise. And in 50-minute intervals, so 2 intervals, we're going to be folding the dough to get the excess gas out and also strengthen the dough. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some flour and I'm going to spread it on my work surface. Now, you do not want to incorporate any flour into your dough, but you do need to put some flour onto your surface to prevent it from sticking. The other thing is that you want some flour on your hands, otherwise it's going to stick to your hands. So for this step, I'm going to use my dough scraper, and I have my dough, and as you can see, it's starting to look really like bread dough. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this dough and put it down on the surface. We have a nice soundtrack in the background of our kids. So I take all the dough, try and get it all out of the bowl. It's actually pretty strong dough at this point. And in order to fold the dough, it's kind of like folding an envelope. So what you do, again, keep your hands really dry. You make it kind of a rectangle shape. And what you're going to do is you're going to stretch it, fold it down to about the middle third. On the opposite side, you're going to stretch it to the third, try and wipe off excess flour. And then from the top, stretch it to the middle third. Other side, stretch it to the middle third. So then you take this dough, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back into the bowl, and I'm going to let it rise, again covered because you don't want it to dry out. You're going to let it rise for another 50 minutes, and then we'll be back to fold it again. See you soon.